Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateur Aries, and today we are doing an unboxing. And it's a very special unboxing because I didn't have to pay for this unboxing. They came to me and asked me if I would unbox their box for them. It is Succulentsbox.com that came to me, which made me uber excited because although I'm a mental health and makeup channel, I absolutely love plants. If I could have an entire garden, even a witch's garden in my yard, surrounding my entire house, I'd be the happiest person alive. However, I'm in a house that has a lot of shade, so a lot of plants are not making it right now. But succulents are very hardy plants, so it makes it super easy for me to keep them alive and still have that plant life feeling around me. I was super excited when they came to me and offered me to do a collab with them where I will be showing you an unboxing of their product, which is succulents, and I'll be telling you about their information, which I always write down because, girl, if you watch my channel, you know I forget everything and go off topic. So the link will be in the description below to their website, which is succulentsbox.com. So after the link in the description, you can get a $5 off your first box with code 5OFF and a 17% any order with a code of Prime Day. So I'm going to be putting the codes right here, also the codes down there along with this information. Yes, I'm looking at my notes to make sure I'm saying them right, because girl, again, memory. So, let me point out before I bring up the box from behind me, because it's directly behind me. I got this box yesterday and they sent it out to me about 4 days ago, 3 to 4 days ago. So it came really fast. And that was a concern because Zach was more concerned than even I was. He's like, oh, what if the plants die? They're in a box, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, honey, it's gonna be okay. So apparently in these boxes, I haven't opened it yet. I took the stickers off, or cut the stickers away, but I haven't opened it yet. There are apparently 4 succulents inside, and altogether they're worth $20 for the box, just the box. I don't know altogether how much the succulents actually cost. So let's get to unboxing this box so my succulents don't die, if there are real succulents. Because now I'm curious, are they really real plants, or are they fake plants, or are they seedlings? I mean, what are we getting here? Because I really didn't look on the website. I wanted to be surprised. I really do. I want to be surprised. I don't want to just be like, now I know what I'm getting myself into. I want to be a little bit surprised. So it's from California. So it did come pretty fast. 3 or 4 days is pretty fast for shipment all the way to Georgia. So here's the box, by the way. I'm slightly open it. I had stickers right here, and a sticker right here. And hopefully you don't see my address, as I was just flaunting it all over the place. So I'm just going to open the box. I'm going to open it down here so you don't see my address. Please carefully and gently remove the packing materials. Don't put the plants in sunlight immediately. They need to to sunlight gradually. Keep the plants in the shade or indirect sun. Slowly introduce them to the direct sun. So it does tell you about a whole bunch of other things. That was just the second one. I don't know if you can see this very well. There's a third one, and this is more. This would be my first plants that I've gotten that probably won't die on me because of the shade. So right away, we got a box full of peanuts. I would let my cats and my ferrets play with these, but I heard they're toxic. Some peanuts are not toxic. Some are made with corn. But you have to special order them. I do not know what these are. So I'm just going to put these peanuts off to the side because I really don't want my animals playing with them. And I don't want to lose them in the mass of me not paying any attention to anything right now. So already inside I see 4 little wrapped up things, and ooh, we're excited. It looks like they put them in sideways. Let's get our hands on one of these. I'm so excited. You guys don't even know, I'm a huge plant person. If I had plants going right now, I would be doing a plant channel occasionally. Not plant channel, but plant videos occasionally. So there is dirt coming off of this, everywhere. I'm gonna have to clean up before the next video. I'm gonna need scissors. There's so much soil on the tape. I don't want to rip the tape off because the soil is just going to fly everywhere. So I'm going to try cutting it from the top, being careful of the plant. Oh, hi! It's so cute! It has soil everywhere. me just move some of these plants off to the side, and I'll, so you can see the little plant inside. It literally is covered in soil on the top, so I'm just gonna dust it off a little bit. There we go. So when you do get this package, make sure you do it in an environment you don't care about getting dirty. This is my bedroom, and I normally don't care, but I do work out in here since I don't have a gym membership at the moment. So this girl works out on the floor. Alright, we got the first one. Isn't that cute? Oh, look at the cute little plant that has dirt all over it, and it is dry, so I'm going to have to water it when I get the chance. Move on to the second one. I'm probably just going to skip the whole unwrapping them because the tape's like all over the place. That's the second one. They're so tiny. Oh, they're so cute. Some more peanuts. Go away! There's another one. And the last one. Yeah, some of the soil is like all on top of them. I'm trying to remove some of the soil so you can actually see the plant. And there's that one. So that's the box. Sorry, I just kind of threw them back, the packages stuff and back in there because it's a mess here. And I gotta do another unboxing, so ignore that box. It doesn't exist. Ignore the chips too. You can see the chips. I haven't ate lunch today. Alright, so also inside the box were these little cards, and I'm guessing they tell you about the plants. So this one goes with this one. I'm gonna butcher these words horribly. Pachyphyllum. That's this one. It doesn't really tell you about it, but it does give you the website, it gives you the Facebook and the Instagram, so I might take pictures with these plants and send it to them. I think this is the one. Firestorm. Oh, these two look alike because they haven't brought on their colors yet, so I'm guessing this one's this one. Calcarsium. Words. Oh, I like this one. It's called Blue Elf. Oh, it matches me. I'm not really blue and I'm not really an elf, but I used to believe I was. So these are my new babies. Let's get them all in the picture. These are my new babies. I have no idea where I'm going to put them because my cats will go after the crap out of them. So I'm going to probably have to put them probably outside, believe it or not, until winter time, or maybe in the guest bedroom because my mom has a plant area in there, so maybe she'll let me do that. So yes, I'm super excited. I'm gonna get some plants I can hang so they can't reach them. That's the unboxing of the Succulents box. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I am not subscribed to them, but if I had the money to pay $20 each month, which currently I'm not because I'm paying some dentist bills at the current moment, I would totally buy this box because I'm a huge plant fan. I love plants, and I love how they sent me real live plants, and they're so cute. Here, let me just, well, that's part of you. Sorry. So I'm really excited about this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Keep on watching and look for those codes down in the description box. $5 off your first box if you go down and use the code down below.